Take one good last look at the fishbowl. Let's get rid of that. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It is 7:45 in the morning, Friday morning. Yes, I quit my job yesterday. Not sure what we're gonna do, but we'll figure it out. Till then, we gotta get rid of this fishbowl look. If you guys have watched the first 5 mods you should do to your vehicle, you'll know what we're doing today. We are heading to see Humberto with Stay Cool. He's been doing all of my vehicles lately. He did my M3, the E92, 335. He's super professional and super fast. They actually do it for many dealerships here in Calgary, so I trust everything he does, and he does the tinting properly, which is fantastic. So let's head over to Humberto's place and get rid of this fishbowl look. He does a lot of the tinting at the dealerships, but for private and personal friends and family, he actually does it out of his garage. He's got the garage all painted white, super nice, and it's heated, so it's just really good setup, really good people, and I would highly recommend them if you're in the Calgary, Alberta area. Here's what I was saying about his garage. Bright, clean, professional, just like his work. All right, so we left the Elantra with Stay Cool. We'll pick up with them shortly, but we are going to quickly walk home because it's pretty close, maybe about a half an hour walk. So we'll walk home, then we're going to grab the truck, Billie Jean, which hasn't really been in the vlog for almost a year. So let's go get Billie Jean, and we're going to get Mama's truck tinted as well today. Just the front 2 windows, because we've just always had all of our cars tinted and we've not had Billie Jean done yet, and Humberto could fit us in. So let's go get the truck and get it tinted. We have to make it way over there, but we have nothing but time. Let's keep on trucking. That is kilometer 1. Here we got Stony Trail. Basically the ring road that goes around Calgary. Busy with everybody trying to get to work this morning. If you guys are long-time subscribers, you'll probably recognize this is where I brought you guys when we are walking the dog. Not gonna lie, I'm a little warm. But now, let's jump in Billie Jean and take it off to get its front windows done. It was only 2.59 kilometers, half an hour, not too bad. Got Billie Jean. Now let's head over and get rid of this fishbowl look. This is how you know you're dealing with a good film installer. They take the doors apart to do it right. Check out what's pulling out of the garage next door. Aston Martin. Beautiful. Whoa, that's pretty crazy. No more fishbowl. Much, much better. That I'm a fan. Such an awesome job. I'll put links down below. Yeah. Well, you don't look a day over 30.
Which?
I imagine you don't feel 30. Crawling all around the cars and
You have to give me the address to see me on YouTube.
yeah, for sure. That is so much better. What do you guys think? It's hard to tell a difference because the camera is adjusting for the low light, but it is so much more pleasant in here. Oh, now all we gotta do is we gotta get a banner put on the front of this windshield because it is huge. So we're gonna head home. We're gonna park the Elantra in the garage so that we can do a banner install. And then while it's in the garage, I'm gonna walk back and get the truck. Probably bring the dog this time so she gets a little bit of exercise. And then we'll head back, do a banner, see what other things we can get up to. But let's head home and go back and get the truck. Now, let's go see if we can deal with that today. Freaking rock chips. Never ends. Let's go see if we can get it fixed. Let's hope they can get this fixed today, and then we'll be good for this weekend. Okay, they're fitting us in right now, which is awesome. These guys are Glassmasters. We've been here before. They fixed the windshield right after Quinn got chipped, so it's in good hands. They'll take care of it. We're gonna run over to the BMW gallery, drop some stuff off, then we'll come back and pick the car up. She's back out. Should be all fixed up. Huge shout out to Glassmasters for taking care of the beast. That looks much better. Sweet. Let's go inside, take care of our bill. If you're in the Calgary area, make sure you come and say hi to Jason or Joe at Glassmasters, and they will take care of all your glass needs. While I was waiting, I ran over and had to drop off some stuff at the BMW gallery, and a lot of guys there are really curious on what the car looks like. So we're gonna head over there and we'll show the car off. We'll get their initial reactions. We went for the first car wash with Stone and the new livery, and we lost a screw here, and we lost one here, and we lost one here. Not too bad. I was trying to be as careful as possible so that we didn't blast them all off, but most of them stayed, so that's okay. I'm happy with that. So let's get those replaced, and then we will put a banner on Melantra. Thankfully, I got a lot of spares left over. Just like normal, lay out your banner how you want it with the right measurement from the top of the glass where you want it to sit. Tape it down in the center, and we'll work from one side out and then the other side out, just like we have before. So after you get your first side laid down, then you take the middle tape off and peel back the other half, and then lay it down on the other side. Pull it tight, grab your squeegee. banner on Mama's truck for her. She's been asking for a while, but I decided today was the day. And we got some anti-fishbowl glass, nice banner, and the truck's all shined up, full of gas, ready for her to go. One thing to remember, do not roll your windows down for at least 2 days. I taped them off so that they don't accidentally get rolled down. What a fun-filled day. First day off, not having a job. It's a pretty good day. We got the Atlantic tinted, we got the Ford tinted, we got stones, front windshield fixed. A huge shout out again to the guys at Glassmasters. They're unreal. They treat me so well. Every time I've gone in there, it's always been an absolutely fantastic adventure. But I am exhausted. It's been a super busy day. I thought I'd bring you guys along for all of the adventures and everything we did. And yeah, hopefully we'll be able to keep doing more and more days like this. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.